Okay, now we're going to draw a frequency polygon. So a frequency polygon is, how do I best describe it? It's a bit like a bar chart without the bars, and the middle points of the bars are joined up. So what we're doing is we're getting the midpoint of the width. So the midpoint here, 15, is it halfway between 10 and 20. So 15, and we plot it against 5. So 15 against 5. So there's the first point on our frequency polygon, 15 against 5. The midpoint here, 25 against 8. So 25 against 8. So that's there. 35, 10. So 35 goes up to 10. 45, 13. 45, 13. 55, 9. And 65, 7. So there's the points from my frequency polygon, and now all I've got to do is join them up. So I've got a straight line and I'm going to join them up. So there to there, there to there, just joining all the x's together, and that is all we have to do. So what we're doing, midpoint against frequency, so we're plotting midpoint against frequency and joining the points up. That's all we've got to do for a frequency polygon. So midpoint of the bar, midpoint here,